day, and when the sun sets, you asking me.
Starting this trip off right. Over there.
Yes, and I was like, what baby is that? And he was like, this is my baby, baby, oh my God. And
all right, so we are trying to get our Uber packed out here. We're Lauderdale airport. It's actually closer to our Airbnb because we're in Hallandale. And it's really muggy out. The flight was so long, y'all. It was so short, but it was so long and miserable. I did not have such a good flight. But we're here. Two of my girlfriends' flight got canceled, which sucks. And I literally was gonna be on that flight. But they're making their way. So we're in a taxi on our way. Woo! Lauren.
Hi. Hi, so what's your name?
All right, so.
Brittany, you got it?
Oh, she's up.
Oh, yes, I got it.
We told her we robbing her, Lauren.
Huh?
We were supposed to rob her.
I'm gonna have to show you how to do it, you know, later. I'm gonna have to.
What?
How was your flight?
This is to have an amazing trip. Virgo Nation.
Season 3. You start as friends, honey. They come in. Then the drama starts.
Don't bring that bad juju in here.
I don't want none of that.
We friends and family.
None of that. No, that's just a joke. I'm gonna say that.
And so Joy be the main one. Mom Joy gonna be in here. Oh yeah, I haven't seen any bugs yet though. No, I'm cracking up because when we first got here, Lauren gonna say, "Let's claim our bed."
No,
So,
I said, what would I do? We're gonna say, like, yeah, we in here, bad girl season 3.
Yeah. Thank you, bartender. Southwest no look. It's strong, dog. Alright, so we are in Wynwood. This is the art district. Alright, so this is the place, Koyo.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew. been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew, then you feel it.
Alright, so we made it back. We're waiting on pizza because we're greedy. Ain't nothing really being shown. Alright, so tomorrow we do it all again. Cheers! This is the longevity, friendship, love, positivity, wealth.
Yes.
And God. And God. And my marriage and baby. And this is my native music in the back. You ain't had no comment?
That wasn't too bad. I'm letting you live. I ain't say nothing to you already.
We out here with the moms. What's up, y'all? Y'all getting lit? Y'all getting lit? Shayna over here by herself. Woo! Yes, cheers.
Happy birthday. One of those restaurants.
This is good. You like yours, Liz? You like yours? It's good. It's different.
Just to get me in trouble.
That looks like real turkey bacon.
Yeah, it ain't that crunchy stuff.
Sure does.
Alright, so we are at the Marina Yacht. I don't know which one is ours. And we are litty, baby. Some of my girls. Alright, so we are heading to our yacht here. These are all the girls. We are on our way. Turn it. Hello. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Yes, come on.
Woo! Y'all ready?
Now we're ready.
Oh man. When I say this yacht experience was lit, y'all, it was litty. I had so much freaking fun. My friends had fun. We had so much different types of music. It was just a real lit, fun, positive experience. I just can't even explain it, babes. But my birthday was a whole movie. So when I say I showed out, babes, I really showed out. So a little backstory about me and jet skiing. I had a really bad experience about 5 or 6 years ago where I flew off of one, and it just was a really, really bad experience for me, really traumatizing. And I actually was able to get back on one. So this is the first time I'm back on this jet ski in 5 to 6 years, and I was super duper scared, but I told myself for this 32nd year of my life, I am going to tackle my fears, faith over fear at all times, and I did it. I'm super proud of myself. I wanted to get off so bad, y'all, but I did it. I'm super, super proud of myself. Hey!
No, we didn't turn the lights off.
Here.
They definitely cracking up. They probably told her. Yeah.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the sun
And I am wearing my crown that my mama got me because it's my 32nd birthday. And I'm scared of escalators, but I'm gonna try to do it. Did I ever tell you the story? How I fell down the escalator at the gallery? I had a DVD player. That's how old this was. I had a DVD player and I had AJ. And we was falling down the gallery. Yo, I got stories for days with falling. Girl, I don't know. And my mom laughed the whole time. See, if y'all knew my mom, y'all know that that's something that she would just do. Because it wasn't hurting myself. I just was like falling. What's happening? What are they doing over there? They're having a meeting. That's cute. You know what they are? I think they TSA training. Alright, I'm about to board my plane. I still got my crown on, y'all. Hey, babe. So I made it back home. And a lot of my nails came off because I was kind of dying when I was on the yacht. I was trying to get back on the yacht and I was in the water and I was really scared. So I gripped like the boat and my nails popped off. So I had one hand full of nails and one hand without nails. So show here. Excuse the dust on my bed. I'm just filing my nails down. So what I'm about to do, I don't have no voice because I was turned. I took a shower. I washed my hair. And I'm about to just go get some food. I'm actually going to get some food by myself. I gotta fix this lash. I kind of like washed it by accident. But I'm gonna go get some food. Maybe a couple drinks. And then I'll be back on with y'all, babes. I just wanted to let y'all know that I made it back. As soon as I got back here, I was like, it's raining outside. 73 degrees. I could have stayed where I was at. Like, ship my daughter to me. But are you? I'll be back. Peace.
time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets. You asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew. Then you feel it rushing and lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place now. My place is your place, let's face it. Baby, you know all the places. Places. My place is your place. My place. Your place is my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do.
Precious baby. Say hi, Nana. Say hi to the babes. So Nairobi, as you know, Nairobi dresses herself. So that's one of the sweaters. She made a crop top. And she said, Mommy, I got an undershirt underneath it, so it's fine.
I love crop tops. Even my mom wears it. So I get to wear undershirts underneath it.
So you just wear an undershirt underneath your crop
Yeah.
tops? Alright, so I am at Applebee's about to get dinner. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Nairobi want to do a toast for my birthday. So come on, what's this toast to?
Huh?
What is this toast to? Is it the toast to my birthday?
We wish to Mommy's birthday to be great and fun. Every time, don't like the happy birthday.
Oh, baby. Oh, God. Okay. Cheers. So, y'all, on my birthday, my mom and my boyfriend basically surprised me with a dinner. My boyfriend got my mom to cook all the foods that I really like. So I had crabs, scallops, shrimp, ribs, macaroni and cheese, and he set it up, which is so adorable.